Today is the day we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket on my NB Miata. It's been leaking since I got it, so it's finally time to replace it so it doesn't leak anymore. So first let's check the coils. This one's dry. Well, this one has a little bit of oil on it. This one's oily too. What about this one? Oh yeah, this one's oily. So yeah, let's take down all the bolts and start taking the valve cover off. Alright, so I took off the valve cover and you can tell this car wasn't driven hard. And then here, all the camshafts look good. Actually looks pretty clean. No metal shavings. That's good. Alright, I got everything taped up to 20 and let's go. Alright, now that I sanded the whole valve cover, I'm gonna unbolt these and clean all of it. So let's get started. Alright, now that I took all of these off and cleaned them, let's tape this whole thing. and all of these small things, tape them down and get ready for painting. Alright, this is the next morning. I decided to paint in the morning so it sticks better. So now we're gonna wipe this down and primer it and paint it. Alright, it's been a day since I painted my valve cover. It's all dry now, so we can go ahead and install it on the car. I also bought a brand new set of spark plugs and ignition wire set because one of mine were cracked. So let's get started and putting it back on. Alright, so I got all the old spark plugs out. As you can see, they're filthy and filled with oil. This was the first cylinder. It was the driest one. Second was a little bit more filled with oil. Third one was flooded almost fully, and fourth is just filled with oil. So I'm gonna pull all the rest of the oil out and we're gonna put in the new set of spark plugs. We replaced the gasket, new spark plugs and new wiring. Everything got torqued up. Let's see if she starts. And got smoke coming up. Man. But she's working. Alright guys, we got everything installed, torqued up. The last thing we need to finish this is to wash the engine bay. So let's get the pressure washer and detail the engine bay. And here's the final result. Everything looks nice and beautiful. We got no leaks, no misfires. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribe if you want to see more videos about this build. And see you in the next one.